Assalamu alaikum and good morning. How are you all? Today is 26 May 2021 and the day is Wednesday. This is a social studies session. Today we are going to revise Unit 6, Chapter number 2 and 3. Yesterday we revised Chapter number 1, National Symbols. Today we are going to revise National Holidays and Celebration. There are some days which are very special for the people of Pakistan. On these days something important happened in the past. Every year on these days we have a holiday. There are some special days, okay, and on special days we are going to celebrate it, and that will happen in the past, okay. And every year on these days we have a holiday. For example, 14 August, 23rd March, 25th December, so and so, okay. Independence Day. Every year on the 14th of August, we celebrate the Day of Freedom. We become a free country on that day in 1947. We show our love for our country and each other on Independence Day. On 14th August, what we celebrate? Independence Day, and we celebrate every year because we celebrate the Day of Freedom. On that day, we are going to free. We get a separate nation from Hindus, okay, and we show love. And on that day, we show love for our country and each other on Independence Day with the people, okay. Celebration of Independence Day. Quaid-e-Azam Day. Every year on 25th of December, we celebrate the birthday of Quaid-e-Azam. Muhammad Ali Jinnah was a founder of Pakistan. He is called the father of nation due to this. On 25th December is the day of is Quaid-e-Azam's birthday, and we celebrate that day because he was a father of nation, and he's the leader of our and he's the one who helped us to get a separate nation from Hindus. Mr. Oily, the oil said, Quaid-e-Azam means the great leader. Why do we call him by this name? Because he is a very great leader. Through his efforts, we get a separate nation. Okay? So every year on 25th December, we celebrate the Quaid-e-Azam's Day. On 23rd March, we are going to celebrate Pakistan's Day. On that day, Pakistan resolution was passed. Okay? Now move on to page number 47. Chapter number 3 writes, every person in the world is important and special. Everyone in the world, either you are Muslim, either you are non-Muslim, either you live in Pakistan or either you live in America, everyone is very important and special. We should have these good things no matter who are or where we live. These good things are our right. What they are called? They are our rights. Let me tell you about some of these rights. Education. Everyone have right to get education. Shelter, somewhere to live. Everyone have get to shelter, a place where you live. Food. Khana means everyone have right to get food, and clothing. Everyone have right to get clothes. So either you are non-Muslim, Muslim, either you have lived any part of the world, you have these right to get education, shelter, food and clothing. These are the basic rights, okay. So every person in the world is important. Every person in the world is special and important, and everyone have the rights. And no matter where we are going to live, where you live, and you belong with any religion, you have to you have these rights. These are the basic rights, okay. For today till here, see you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.